How to fix PayPal login not working on 2026. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can fix if your PayPal login isn't working. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If you're not being able to log into PayPal and if the login is not working, then there could be various reasons for this. First of all, make sure that you are using a active internet connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch your cellular data and see if that helps you solve the problem. If you're not being able to gain access to your account, do not try from the same page over and over again. Instead, just close the PayPal app first. Now what you want to do is you want to just make sure to long press on the PayPal application. Tap on the I button to come to App Info page. By the way, this setting will be only available for Android users. For iPhone users, you have to offload the app from your settings. Now, once you're here, just come to the storage usage, clear the cache files, and also clear the app data. Now, after you've done that, go to your Play Store or App Store, check if the PayPal app has an update. And if it does have an update, then make sure to update it to the latest version. And also after that, you want to make sure that your credentials are correct. So if you're using an incorrect credential on PayPal, that could also be the reason why you're not being able to use your login information to log in. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial and see you soon in the next video.